Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of C programming tutorial. On this previous part of this tutorial, we just learned the working of a while loop in C program. So here I will explain a simple example, again explain an example that demonstrates the working of while loop. So this is an example to find out the factorial of a number using while loop. So for that I declare a variable called num. Okay, and again declare another variable called fact and initialize that variable with the value 1. Okay, now I ask the user to enter any number to find the factorial. So using printf function, printf, start a new line, enter any number for finding the factorial. Now I read the number into variable num. So using the scanf function, scanf is an integer value, so use the format string %d. Now use the address operator ampersand and provide that variable name. Here the variable name is num. Okay, now I read a value from user. Now I have to find the factorial of this number. So I use a while loop here. Okay, so now here I am going to declare another variable I, and the value of I is also from 1. Initialize the value of I is 1, and here is the condition I less than or equal to that number num. Okay, so here fact equal to, that means now the value of fact is 1, fact equal to fact into I. Now I increment the value of I increment the value of I. Okay, after completing this loop, after complete the execution of this while loop, we got the factorial of this particular number into this variable called fact. So now we have to print out that value. So printf, using printf function, print it on a new line, factorial of that number. It's an integer, %d is again %d equal to again %d. Okay, now provide comma operator. Now here the first variable is num, and second one is the result, so it is fact. Okay, this is the simple program. Now we can run it. So save the program. First I save the program. Okay, I save it. Now compile the program. Compilation is success. Now we can run it. So it asks for the number, enter any number. So 3, the factorial of 3 is 3 into 2 into 1, it is 6. So we got the factorial of 3. Factorial of 3 is 6. Again I run it. I provide 5, enter any number. Now the factorial of 5 is 120. Okay, now we can check the program with the input values. So first I provide the number is 3. So here on this variable num we got 3. That means the value of number is now 3. Number is 3. Okay, so now this condition will check. Here the value of I is firstly 1. That means 1 less than or equal to 3. It is true. So here the condition is 1 less than or equal to 3, it is one, it is a true one. So enter into the body of the while loop and execute this one. So here this become the value of factorial is now 1. So first execute the right hand side of this assignment operator. So now the value of fact is 1. 1 into value of 5 is now 1. So 1 into 1. So we got the value of fact is now 1. Okay, again change the value of 5. That means I plus plus. Now value of I become 2. Again check this condition. So here the value of I is 2 less than 3. Again it is found to be a true one. Now enter into the loop body and here it is. Now the value of fact is previously 1. Now the value of I is 2. So we got fact equal to 2 into 1, 2. Okay, again change the value of 5. Now I become 3. Again check the condition. Here the condition become 3 less than or equal to 3. The less than is now not correct, but equal to is correct. So again the condition is true 1. Now again enter into the loop body. Now this statement become the value of fact is now previously 2. So here the value of fact is 2. Now the value of I is 3. So we got fact equal to 6. Again increment the value of I. So now I become 4. Again come here and check this condition. So now here the condition is 4. Here we can see that now the condition is a false one. So the loop body will exit. That means this loop will exit now. Now the value of fact is 6. That is the correct answer. So we just print out that value. Factorial of that particular number equal to that value of fact. So we got the output. Guys, this is a simple example that demonstrate the working of a while loop in details. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel for getting more video updates. See you in the next part.